first time here, I'd like to tell you that I do my videos in my own voice. So if you do not like your FFs to have voiceover in them, then please put this video on mute and just treat it like a storybook. If you like my stories, then please subscribe to my channel. And now let's go.
You are running late to school today. You are looking at your watch and trying to run fast to your class. Oh my god, I'm late again. Mrs. Park is going to kill me. My classwork is also incomplete. Ouch! You suddenly found yourself falling on the ground after bumping into someone. All your notes got scattered on the floor. Are you okay? He asked while trying to collect your papers. You looked at him dumbfounded. And you're thinking in your head, oh god, it's him. You fine? Though you were in pain, you said, I'm okay. He handed over your papers to you and said sorry. You got puzzled and started fumbling out of nervousness. It's okay. It's not your fault. I was running too fast. He nodded and left from there while dusting off his shirt. You're trying to catch your breath as you are still processing what just happened. You're thinking in your head, oh god, did I just bump into Taeyang? Did the school's most handsome guy spoke to me? Thank you God for making my day. Oh no, my class, Mrs. Park. Oh no, I better run. You ran towards the class and asked at the doorstep. Ma'am, may I come in? Mrs. Park looks at the watch and gets furious. Is this the time you report to the class? Ma'am, I'm really sorry. Actually, From the corner of your eye, you saw Taeyang walking in the same corridor towards your class. And you're thinking in your head, oh my god, why is he coming towards our class? What if he sees me getting scolded? No. I can't be getting scolded in front of him. You are late by 20 minutes. The class is about to get over and you're coming now? Oh no, he's literally here. Are you listening, girl? I'm talking to you. That very moment, he came and stood next to you. Good morning, Mrs. Park. May I come in? Morning. Sure, come in. He handed over some pamphlet to Mrs. Park and discussed something. All the girls kept looking at him in awe of him as he's the most good-looking guy of the school. After 2 minutes, Mrs. Park read out from the pamphlet. Students, the school dance night will be next 30 days. The allowed forms of dance would be ballet, ballroom, contemporary, tap dance, and jazz. If any student is interested, please give your names in next 2 days. Thank you, Mrs. Park. He started to leave the class, and while exiting, he just gave a quick 1-second look to you. It's as if his eyes understood that this is the girl he just saw in the hallway. And you're thinking in your head, damn it, my entire impression got spoiled. What he must be thinking about me. After the class got over, Mrs. Park left and you ran up to your friends. Hey guys, guess what happened today? Today is the most luckiest day. Guess who did I bump into this morning? Who? Kim Taeyang. What? Really? Yeah, not only that, he helped me collect all my notes and books and also asked me if I was fine. He said sorry to me too. What are you saying? You're so lucky. At least you got to touch him. I'm so jealous of you. And boy, his perfume smells terrific. I'm just flying so high thinking about this morning. But look at my bad luck. Out of everyone, he had to see me getting humiliated. All your girlfriends laughed. Don't laugh at my irony now. Please help me. I don't want our first meeting to not lead to something and just go waste simply. Tell me, what should I do? I have an idea. Why don't you participate in the next month's school dance event? He's the in charge of it. I'm sure he'll be impressed by good dancers. If he likes your performance, you can win him over. Dance. And me. What a joke. Don't you know me at all? If I dance, everyone would run away for help. But listen to me. We still have 1 month to go before the event. You have got plenty of time to learn and improve your dancing. All you got to do is to join some good professional dance classes and practice regularly. Well, she does have a point, Ryan. You must definitely give it a try. What's there to lose anyway? You guys think so? Of course. Alright then, let me search for some good dance classes nearby. Next day. Hey, I enrolled myself in a dance class. My classes start from day after tomorrow after school hours. That's cool. But where are you running off to now? I need to buy a few of the dancing stuff before going to the classes, like shoes and stockings, etc. etc. Alright, see you. All the best, babe. After some time, at the nearby dance store, you bought a lot of stuff and stood at the billing counter to make the payment. Just then, Taeyang came behind you and stood in the queue holding his basket. Oh God, where did he come from? I hope he doesn't recognize me from the other day. Hey, aren't you the one I saw in Mrs. Park's class yesterday morning? Damn it! It's okay. Breathe, relax, be cool. Yeah, hi. I showed up a little late yesterday and Mrs. Park is very strict about these things. I see. He looked down at the whole lot of stuff in your basket and ended up asking, Whoa, so much stuff. You must be a professional dancer. Relax, Ryan. Sound cool. Come on, sound cool. Well, I'm not a professional, but I do dance sometimes. Really? How come I never saw you participate in any of the dance competitions in all these years? Well, I stay quite busy studying most of the times, so that's where most of my time goes. But I'm thinking to perform in this year's annual school dance night. Let's see. Ah, that's good. So you must be really intelligent too. Wow, what a combination. A dancer with brain. That's impressive. No, nothing like that. Though butterflies flew in your stomach, you tried to appear calm on the outside. Once the billing was done, Taeyang picked up his basket and began to leave. Alright then, hope to see you perform soon. Bye-bye. Bye. You're thinking in your head. Oh God, he spoke to me 2 times in last 2 days. I can't believe it. Even after he saw me getting scolded, he still spoke so fondly to me. I guess being a dancer does have its own share of advantages. I must learn to become a great dancer now. That's something that can possibly attract his attention to me. After 2 days came your first day of the dance class. You entered to see a group of guys and girls warming up for the dance session. Wow, they all look so stylish and cool. Once I learn some dancing, I'll look equally cool in school too. Yay, I'm just 30 days away from impressing my years-long crush Taeyang. After 5 minutes, you got startled to see Taeyang entering the class from the main gate, clapping his hands and addressing to the class aloud as a teacher. Everybody line up. We have a few new enrollments today, so we are going to start with the basics first. He said and turned towards the mirror while rolling up his sleeves while others followed his lead. What the fuck? What is he doing here? Does he teach dance here? While you were thinking all this, you went to the back of the room and stood in the last line trying to hide behind a few tall bunch of students so that he doesn't see you. He started with teaching the dance routine and everyone followed his lead. You have always admired him for his attractive personality in school, but to see him here teaching dance moves to others seemed so much sexier to you. You thought to yourself, oh my dear Lord, how can you make someone look this good looking? Look at that flawlessly chiseled jawline, that enormous sexiness that his eyes exude unknowingly while he's dancing looking into the mirror, and the way his entire body moves. My, he's the most attractive creation of God. After a few minutes of teaching the basics, he turned towards the students and suddenly he noticed you at the back. Hey, you look new. First day? Yes. Please come in the front. Okay. As you moved just a few steps forward, he immediately recognized you. Hey, you, the hidden dancer of the school, huh? Hi. Hey, what are you doing here? I'm a new student in here. It's my first day today. No way. Why do you need dance classes for? I'm sure you must already know quite a lot. Anyway, now that you're here, why don't you teach some of your moves to the class? Me? Yeah, come on. I I I gotta go. You picked up your bag and stormed out of there. He just looked at you leave, wondering what went wrong. Next day in school. Hey, here comes our Madonna. How was your first day at dance school? Don't ask, you said in a low, sad tone. Hey, what's wrong? You won't believe what games Destiny is playing with me. On one day, we had such a terrific start, but then he sees me getting humiliated in front of everyone. And yesterday, I tried to impress him by letting him think that I'm a good dancer. But guess who happened to be my dance teacher on the first day of my dance class? Who? Him. Who? Taeyang? Yeah, you buried your face in books. So what did you do? I just ran from there. I don't think I'll return to those classes again. But why? Because he teaches there? That doesn't sound like something to be so worried about. After all, this will give you the chance to get more closer to him, don't you think? No, you idiot. This will ruin everything. Imagine, I joined the classes to learn dancing so I could impress him at the school night. But now he'll get to see me dance like a 5-year-old. I will look rather funny and stupid. A guy like him will never fall for a girl like that. After 3 days, you were sitting in the library reading. Suddenly, someone came and sat opposite to you. Here you are. You glanced up and your eyes widened. You? Yeah, me, your dance teacher. I quit the classes. Because of me? Huh? Yes, I mean no. Sorry? I just changed my mind. That's what I'm asking. Why did you change your mind? Didn't you like the class? Didn't you like the way I teach the class? Or don't you simply like me? What is it? I'm just asking because I need to know the reason before refunding your dance fee. Oh, that's why. Of course, why else? Well, I would say you're judging it all too quick. It's a really good class, you know. You shouldn't drop out like that. Come and attend a few trial classes before you decide to quit. He stood up and began to leave. Think about it. I'll see you around. You thought a lot about it, and after a lot of messed up thinking, you decided to go to at least one of the sessions before quitting completely, since you didn't want him to think of you as someone who's arrogant, especially after he personally came to persuade you. That evening, you entered the class and started to follow others hesitantly as they were warming up. Taeyang entered and greeted everyone. You could see how all the girls were drooling over him. He looked at you for a brief second and raised his eyebrow with a friendly smile to greet you. Few of the girls in the class noticed this and obviously got insanely jealous. Since you were new, he paid special attention to you. He was going out of his way to teach you. Since you were very seriously trying to learn the moves, you didn't notice a couple of times when he was secretly looking at you through the dancing mirror. He thought to himself, she looks so adorable when she gets all clumsy. I like the way how she wears almost no makeup and yet looks so gorgeous. And those eyes, my God. This exchange of looks went on for a couple of days, and one day Taeyang decided that he will ask you out after the class today. After about 25 minutes of today's session, he gave everyone a break of 5 minutes to relax while he left the room while checking his phone. Some of the mean girls came up to you and started harassing you. So you, new girl, what do you think you're doing? What am I doing? Hey, talk nicely to her, babe. She's apparently a great dancer. The girls laughed hysterically at the sarcastic remark passed by them. Who are you kidding, dumb girl? Don't you think we can see what you're trying to do? We know you're a pathetic dancer. You haven't danced in your life. Now suddenly you think just by attending a few classes, you can become a good dancer and gain Taeyang's attention. Listening to their harsh words broke your heart and tears started to roll down your cheeks. Alright class, break time is over, back to practice. Everyone returned to their places, whereas you picked up your bag and left the room while wiping your tears. Taeyang noticed and immediately went after you. Everyone, please continue, I'll be back. Taeyang called you out twice, but after you didn't stop, he paced up and held your wrist and made you stop. Hey, what happened? Without making an eye contact, you replied, Nothing. Then why do you keep leaving my class like this? It's not you, it's me. You broke in tears. Why? He got shocked to see you crying. You looked up for a second, and something arched inside his heart when he saw your eyes had become red because of crying. Hey, why are you crying? It's okay. No, it's not okay. The truth is, I lied to you. I don't know how to dance. I'm not cool and hip like those other girls. I can't dance. I've never danced in my life. I just wanted to appear cooler so you would like me. That's why I joined these classes. I didn't know you taught here. I just wanted to learn dancing to impress you. He wiped your tears and cupped your face in his hands. Wine, I don't care if you dance well or no. You are not a student to me. You mean much more to me. You looked up in surprise, and that's when his gaze locked with yours for the first time with such intensity. Anybody can learn to be a good dancer, but everyone doesn't have a pure heart and soul like you do. You know what? You are really very cool and hip. You know why? Because you are brave enough to tell me the truth. So you are not angry at me? He smiled and said, Why would I? You must be thinking such a geek I am. You said while wiping your tears and collecting yourself together. You mad? No girl till date has ever confessed their feelings to me directly on my face except you. That's quite bold and sexy, you know. I like girls who are direct and bold. But I don't dance well. He settles your hair behind your ears, looks into your eyes and says, That's because you haven't found the right partner yet. He came close to you, lifted your chin up and put his lips gently on yours. It was just a soft peck and not a kiss, but it was enough to make the world around you go froze. You opened your eyes slowly and saw him adoring your face. You know what, Ryan? You're gorgeous. And what makes you more gorgeous is the fact that you aren't aware of it. Please always remain this way. You smiled and nodded. And regarding the dance, you don't have to stress, ma'am. Since starting today, I won't be teaching you anymore. You looked at him with surprise. I can't be your teacher anymore, since I want to be the one dancing to your tunes now, ma'am. He held your face one more time, and this time, he gave you a real passionate kiss.